Are you overwhelmed staring at a blank screen daily? Jenna, a nervous entrepreneur with curly brown hair and worried eyes, feels stuck in her cluttered apartment. She believes building a professional website takes forever and doubts her skills. Did you know 75% of users judge companies by website design alone? This false belief undermines confidence and stalls growth. Pixel Perfect Sites changed Jenna's story by delivering a sleek, search-optimized website in just days. Their expert team transformed her anxiety into pride, creating instant online credibility and attracting customers. Imagine the thrill of seeing your business shine online quickly, just like Jenna now does in her stylish workspace. Don't let limiting beliefs hold back your success. Get started today with Pixel Perfect Sites. Watch your entrepreneurial dreams grow. Take the first step to winning customer trust immediately. Enjoy a brighter, confident business future.